back to another video. I hope you are doing well. So this is very important video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can buy a domain for your website, how you can find a good platform in cheap prices for your website, and how you can do the payments and all the things. So let's start. What you have to do, go here, and the first platform that is to code and worldwide is GoDaddy. So just type here GoDaddy. As you type here, you see here a GoDaddy domain name, website hosting, and online much more. So if you want to really uh, buy from here, don't forget to log in, make an account on GoDaddy. Then you should buy. Otherwise, the GoDaddy will decline or not accept your domain payment or maybe create issues. So what you have to do here, you can see that CA or CCOM as low as 2.99 first year. So what you have to do first, definitely you have to find a name for your website. For example, my website name is Ria Tech. So I search for, as an example for you, like riatech.com, and I really want to find the domain for this. I just search here, and as you can see that someone already taken this riatech.com, but there is an other riatech.ca same in Canada. And if you want to make up for your Canada specific country, you can go for it. And if you want to make up for a whole worldwide, so what you have to do, there is much more like ria ch, ria case, ria tech, much more. And what you have to, if you really want to this, you have to contact this broker service fee, because this name is already taken to. So search another name, like any other name about your website. For example, let's take another example that the domain is not already taken. Okay, so for example, I search like alizara.com. You can search any like that. Uh, okay. So as you can see that there is some premium that is 2,500 uh, per year and something like that. We don't want it because as a beginner we can't pay too much. So scroll a little down, and here you can see that alizara.com is here, and you can see that this one is 0.01 only for the first year with a 2-year registration. If you register for 2 year, they will give you like 0.01. And here you can see we have more like net, like org, like alizaras.com, and much more. For example, I go for this and click on alizara.com, and I want to make it mine, so I just click on make it yours, continue to cart. And here you can see full domain protection. If you want, they charge you $9.99 for year. And if you want to unlimited domain protection, so they charge you 14 per year. No domain protection if you don't want any domain protection, so click on, and they don't charge you. Start your website for free. Okay, so here you can see Microsoft if you want that things. So no professional email if you don't want it, just uh, click on continue to cart. And okay, so from here you can select your year. For example, you want it for the 1 year, and here you can see that it's $11.99. And if you want for the 2 year, let's see what it show. Okay, it shows $20. Okay, so I want it for like 1 year subscription, and it's $11.99. I think that 2 year is good because 20 and 12 there's a little difference, so go for the according to your choice. And you can see that if you have a promo code or something like that, you can use it. If you don't have, then okay. And that's it. I'm ready to pay. You can pay from your card, or if you don't have a card, you can continue with it. You have to create an account. I already told you. So this is the simple method. Continue with the email and whatever you want to do, just create an account. Make sure you have to create an account. That's very important. So the next one is for the domain is Hostinger. Hostinger is good for hosting. So for example, uh, I go for the hosting platform for you. Okay, here you guys go one thing. If you go for the hostinger, they give you a free domain for the first year. Okay, for example, you want to buy a domain first. For example, you want to go with the domain name search, and you search here for like the name I put here is alizara.com. Alizara.com, and let's have a search so we can check out what they're providing. Okay, domain is taken. um, and if you search for something else like love12.com, for example, I search here love12.com, and let's have a look. We have that domain or not. And okay, so that is. So you can find the form of hosting, and the other one is like search domain name, domain by. Okay, let's search about it. So GoDaddy and some domain googledomains.com. It's from Google. So let's see. I think you can also buy from here. Let's see what they provide us. Like I search for like any website name like something study.com. Let's see. I think that one already maybe taken someone. I don't know. Let's see. So as you can see, we don't have the org info. Study.com is already digital. Let's search another one like 123 and have a search. Okay, it's already digital. We have a like it's the prices are here is like $12 and $13, $40, and okay. say. Okay, we have some study my.com. We can choose that from here. That is available, but that is like $12 approximately. So I'm just gonna tell you that the all platform have same prices. So this is how it's work. But the GoDaddy is great. I already told you because everyone have same prices. Why don't you for GoDaddy? Okay, so they also give you some the protection. No one can steal your domain and etc. So just create your account, go the payment is so simple. You have to enter your card number, or for example, I go for an account like enter a username and okay, my known username is this, and if I enter any password like okay, and I just create an account for this. Here you go. You can go with the PayPal, and you have to enter your address, first name, last name, and click on save and new. As you do that, you can go with the PayPal, or you can pay with the whatever you want to do. So just make sure you have how many items over here. Like if you want to edit items, you can do that. So this is how it's work. So I hope now you know how to do the things. And if you have any curious question, ask me in comment. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in another video. Take care.